Hey guys, it's Yaya, and I am so happy to be with you today. Okay, so we're talking about finances today. How important is it to keep those finances under control? I mean, literally, we can spend until there's no end. So, we're going to be talking about that today. We're also going to be talking about a company that does just this. And we're not referring any company, but we're just saying that this company is one of our people right here at Dream Chasers Radio. And we want you to contact them if you have any questions. Okay, so let's get started. Finances. Why is it so important to get a hold of your finances? Because look, there's Starbucks, there's Target or Target, there's Walmart, there's all different kinds of things and wants that we necessarily don't need. And so to get these things in check, we're literally going to have to keep an eye out on all the things that we spend our money on. And so credit repair, all these things are so important because in order to have your own business, which I have, you have to watch your pennies and your nickels, your dimes, your quarters, your dollars. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at this real quick. I want to get this right here.
Are you worried about the economy and the future of your finances? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Did you know that credit can be leveraged and turned into cash? Logically, this might sound impossible. Luckily, you've come to the right place. We are professionals with tons of success testimonies and over 5 years of experience in DIY credit repair and financial literacy. We can help you reach your financial dreams and start your own business in as little as 5 months. If you want to live the life you deserve and finally be financially free, order now and take advantage of our discounted prices on all of our ebooks and bundles. Check out our selection below. This offer is available for a limited time only.
Okay, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and check out this website. I am telling you, the past couple of years has been crazy. The economy is all over the place, and unemployment is at an all-time high. The cost of everything has skyrocketed. It is a good time to think about credit and starting your own business, guys. Start your own business. Black-owned businesses have grown by 50% since 2020, and the Black community has embraced credit and are using it like never before. Okay, how's your credit? How's your credit? Okay. Is it good enough to fund your own small business? Nixon Enterprises is a reputable, small, Black-owned credit repair company that specializes in credit repair and business startup assistance. They offer free credit consultations and are experts at not only repairing your credit, but assisting their clients in rebuilding the correct way. You have to check them out. The website is nixonenterprises20.com, or you can give them a call at 877-726-7488. We're going to have that information in the description box below, but that website again is nixonenterprises20.com or 877-726-7488. Their Instagram is assets_only, and I'll put that all in the description box below so that way you guys don't have to write it down right away. But if you pause this or go back, you can have this repeat in your on your video or on your audio, whatever you're listening to. Yeah, so we do have a video portion of this broadcast that you can get on YouTube, and I'm going to show you all the things and all the services that they provide. They do provide the credit repair, the business startup assistance, rebuilding your credit, and consulting. They started in 2016 and have helped over 5,000 clients achieve their credit goals. So you want to definitely, if you are interested, get in contact with them. Again, that number and email address will be down in the description box below. They are in Plano, Texas, just so you know. Okay, so I'm going through their website. It's really simple and easy to navigate. I love it. You guys know how I just love simple and easy navigation on websites. Okay, they also have a place where you can actually choose your appointment. You can have your 15-minute consultation for free. You can build your credit advice, your credit building advices here, as well as your 30-minute consultation. Credit repair pricing. They do have their credit repair pricing. They do have a journey, you can start it. They will need to talk with you because everybody's journey is different. They also have ebooks and e-courses that you can take. Do it yourself. 2-week sweep. Free flights and luxury life, exclusive credit secrets, Airbnb success, how to earn millions without owning your own property. So these are just 3 different things that you can do, and they're all digital downloads, and you can get this on their website as well. You can also contact them on their website. That's Nixon, Nixon Enterprises, the number 20.com. Okay. So, man, I am telling you, I'm loving this site. I'm loving the fact that I am able to navigate this site. It's really easy. It's really simple, as you can see. And if you haven't seen it, go ahead and hop on over to our YouTube channel, Dream Chasers Radio, and watch the demonstration of that video. You're not going to regret it. I'm telling you right now, we have so many different wonderful people that bring their business to my attention, as well as bring, their music. They come on the show, we do interviews, and everybody here can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You can have your own business. It just takes a little bit more of a get-go and a little bit more of an unction, but I have faith in you. You can do this. You go ahead and you contact them. If that is something you need, if you need to repair your credit, if you need to have a consultation with them, go right ahead. Please don't negate your future. If that's something you want to do, again, that's Nixon Enterprises, the number 20.com, or 877-726-7488. I'm going to have that in the description box below. Shout out to them. Shout out, guys. 2 thumbs up. Yay. I am so excited for you guys. Start your entrepreneurial journey today. If you're going to do it, just do it, okay? It is rewarding. I'm telling you the fact. It is rewarding. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, guys. All right. Have a wonderful time. And hey, don't forget, check out my Patreon executive producer sponsors right here. I did to be different.